Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I will be preparing for you lobster with broccoli and carrots. If you want to see how this is prepared, then continue watching. Here are the ingredients that you would need for this beautiful dish. Okay, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil into this frying pan. 2 tablespoons. That's it. Okay, while that is heating up, I'm just going to season this lobster meat with a few drops of this lime juice. And then I'm just going to cut down the big pieces a little smaller, because I don't want one person getting all of the meat. Oh no! Just gonna make them a little smaller. No. Cut them down. They're still gonna be chunky though. There's 3 of us in here, so everyone have to get their share. Oh yes. Okay, I'm going to now add the celery and the onions into the oil. So I'm just going to leave the bell pepper and the garlic. I'm going to add them in a little later because I want the onion and the celery to start cooking first, because they take the longest to get soft. So that's why they're in first. 1 clove of garlic, good whack. Smash. Now I'm just gonna chop this up, dice this up. So once I add this garlic into the pot, that's gonna set everything off. Okay. So I'm just going to add some total seasoning to the onions and the celery. About a 1/4 teaspoon. Not much, you don't want too much salt. Pepper flakes, the same, about a 1/4 teaspoon. You can substitute this with black pepper if you wish, or any other type of pepper, but I'm using red pepper flakes. Okay, boy, that is sizzling. Some cooking time. Just going to add the leaves. I'm just pulling the leaves off of the stem. Okay, just like that. Need time to season it up. All right, mix that together. Now I can add the garlic and the yellow bell pepper. Now I only add yellow and green, so it's just for color, because I'm just working with colors today, and I didn't want to put the green because I have enough green from the broccoli, so it shows the yellow. Oh boy, it smells great. Garlic did the thing, it set it off. All right, bring it home now. Next is the Hunt's tomato paste. 1 tablespoon of that. It's a nice heaping tablespoon. Give that a good mixing. I just wanted to coat all of the onions, celery, bell pepper, and the garlic that's in the pan now. And of course the thyme. Oh yeah, there is the star. Lobster, chunky lobster. Okay, I'm gonna work that together in the mixture, getting that coated as well. Okay, I am bringing it home on low, of course. Get that mixing all the way. Now these lobster were previously boiled. You don't want to use it raw because the meat is gonna fall apart too quickly. So once you boil it a bit, then you can work with that. Now I'm adding the broccoli and the carrots. They are raw. So I had those cut up. Now with these, I still want them to remain crunchy. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to this, about a tablespoon, and then cover it up and let it cook or simmer down for about a minute or so. Then we can serve. This is a quick and easy dish. And of course, I'm going to be serving it with some okra and rice and boiled plantains. Now I am preparing a video for those, so of course I will have it linked. I will link it to this one so you can see the connection. But you can enjoy this dish with anything you want to enjoy it with. There is the water, just a little bit of water. Now with the cover on, it's going to continue to sweat. Of course, it's on low. About a minute or so, then it should be ready. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're here for the first time, please subscribe and be sure to hit the bell. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.